made $2,000 in the first month of joining.
In the first month of joining, I made $2,000.
I joined and I made $4,000 in the first month.
I made $4,000 in 1 month.
I made $2,000 the first month of joining.
It's impossible not to make money if you follow what they say.
Yes, you read that correctly. Our unique system generates $1,246 weekly. You can do the exact same thing by just copying and pasting our fully automated system. Our 6,900 students are doing it weekly while you're mindlessly scrolling on social media.
My parents were skeptical, my friends were skeptical, even I was skeptical. But then I started with Wi-Fi University's easy copy and paste system. And then just like that, I made 1.2k in 2 weeks. And all I had to do was copy and paste.
The crazy part, all our system does is monetize mindless scrollers like yourself. Our system is so effective at monetizing attention that our model allows you to set them up once by copying what we show you, and then you can simply forget about it. It will generate passive income for you every single day on complete autopilot. It's that simple. No need to spend thousands of dollars to start, no need to show your face, and best of all, it requires no hard work. It's simply just a few clicks a day and leveraging the power of the platforms you use every single day. Think about it. You could be earning while you sleep, travel, or hang out with friends. Our unique system takes care of everything. And the best part, you don't have to figure it out all alone. Our team of over 18 has created some of the most successful systems in the world, and they are personally guaranteeing their latest system. Our team takes advantage of the system doing all the work, and you'll do the same. The best part? All you're doing is copying and pasting their unique system that already works. And before you say this is going to get saturated, no, it's impossible. There are billions of people scrolling on social media every single day. So, no need to try to reinvent the wheel. Our team is giving you a system that's going to take advantage of these billions of people. And the more systems you create, the more money you can make. But remember, all you have to do is copy and paste. So if you're ready to come travel around the world, network with like-minded individuals, and drive supercars, all while your system does the work, then click below and get your unique system before we close the doors for good.
It changed my life.
It changed my life.
It changed my life.
It changed my life.
Thank you, Wi-Fi University.
Thank you, Wi-Fi University.
Thank you, Wi-Fi University.
Wi-Fi University.
Wi-Fi University.
Wi-Fi University.
Wi-Fi University.